guys. Today we are going to be starting a new series of Angry Birds Space. Now this is a really good game I've known because I played it a long time ago. So let's just jump right into this. So there are daily missions to unlock Grass Hog, but we won't worry on that now. So let's go. We can go. Let's start at the Donut Planet, Youtopia. Got all the story cut. That's not good. That's all I know. So now we're gonna get started with Red and the Space Blues. So let's get right into this. Sweet ass sugar. And later on, I will be shooting a video of Pixel 3D. So, thanks for that. So now we got Big Black. So he just is like, gets all mad and all that, and then he just blows up. So yeah. You can start on other levels, but for now we're just going to try to just destroy the Donut Planet. And I'm going to try to pause it and add so now we got Iceberg and Big Green One. So let's do our job. And I'll also be trying to do some geometry, guys. So, yeah. So, we're taking it off to space. To infinity. And beyond. So, we're gonna have to redo it. Watch him fly. There we go. Okay, now people. We might have this in the bag this time. Or he might not. Yeah, think of the list. We're doing all the best parties. So that is all we have for that level. And we only got 1 star for that many points. Shame. What a shame. Ooh, we got purple lightning. That's what I call them. Started off with some bad blues. So now let's check the sky out. Oh. Where'd you come from? And he's like, hey dude, I just came from the other side of the world. Hey, you want some pizza? What's pizza? It's... never mind. You fail a level, you get what you get. Even though pigs don't know what pizza is. Who cares? Pigs don't deserve pizza. They deserve to be lonely. I think it's the worst pig in the world. And we have to restart this again. So yeah, if you want to get Angry Birds Space, just put in Angry Birds, get all the selections. And I would also recommend a game I've also played before and defeated. Angry Birds Epic. Now let's get a look at big guy. Oh, so that's cool. Wow, this guy's fat too. And of course we get 1 star because we use the power up. I gotta restart that, guys. And gals. That was just not what I was looking for. Okay, we're taking them off. We're taking them off. Can we get a level complete? There we go. Do it! Just do it! Oh, my dog better be quiet. That's one dumb pig. That is one dumb pig. So here, let's try some power-ups. See what this is. No need to launch a bird. Okay. Oh. I'll die. Now everyone is dead. 3 stars. No birds needed. There we go. Okay. So this is my return from break. I actually had a long break from YouTube for a while. Because my recording just wouldn't work. So anyway, I have to restart that because I was just a complete failure. How are you gonna complete a level when you have just some of the dumbest creatures in the world that you're fighting with? I'm not saying that birds are dumb. Birds are actually, in my opinion, they're like my favorite things, other than zebras. So yeah, so now I'm getting disturbed by a little 4-year-old. Her birthday is this October. Well, yeah. So does Dakota want to come watch us? Are you sure? When you have a 4-year-old sister, they're gonna be annoying. I'm just letting you know out there, folks. What are those? A dumb bird. I'm gonna use one of the other power-ups for the blues. Because it actually is really awesome because they all split up. Just look at all those bluebirds. What are those? You actually spend like an hour counting them. So there we go. We're almost on the 10-minute point right now, so yeah, it's good. It's good. And yes, I did do Five Nights at Freddy's 4, but it was the demo. And screw demos! Screw demos! We want the full version for free! So anyway, after this level, if I can even beat it, then I'm gonna give you a little bit of facts about Angry Birds face. What an utterly waste of a bird. Oh, he was right there. Okay, folks. Let me give you some info about this game. So first of all, you can go play on Fruit Loops. So yeah, I guess I'll give you the grand tour of Fruit Loopatron or whatever. And then on this next level of Fruit Loops, I'm gonna show you. There should be a can of Fruit Loop. Oh god, it's a giant Super Droid! So close, folks. Now let's just focus on spilling cereal. So next time we're gonna be heading to a mysterious planet. Some say that no one has ever come back. Dang it. But you've never ever seen me. So next time we will be going to one of these fine planets. So, New Horizons have reached Pluto. So now Pluto is in the solar system now. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.